Hello and welcome to Ayurveda Mentor. In this video, you will learn how you can schedule online Ayurveda consultation with me. It will be better if you know a little bit about myself. I am Dr. Vikram Aditya Tomar, a board certified Ayurveda practitioner from India. I have been serving persons to overcome chronic disorders utilizing Ayurveda and Yoga for over 21 years. I am the founder and director of Holistic Herbalist Private Limited, where we are having three divisions. The first one is Holistic Herbalist, where we are manufacturing and exporting Ayurvedic herbal products and personal care products. The second one is Ayurvedic Herbalist, where I am providing Ayurvedic treatment and Ayurvedic consultation. The third one is Ayurveda Mentor, where you have access to wellness training programs based upon Ayurveda and Yoga wisdom. And when you adopt the Ayurvedic treatment along with wellness coaching and mentoring, then you move on the path of recovery, healing, and cure in a faster way, in a more natural and holistic manner. I have taught Ayurveda and Yoga to several hundreds of students in North America and European Union. I have extensively traveled European Union countries for Ayurvedic consultation, for seminars and workshops. The Ayurvedic consultation is of 30 minutes duration. This is a paid service. You pay for the first Ayurvedic consultation, and as long as you are under supervised Ayurvedic treatment, you have access to the free and further follow-up and monthly consultations. I speak Hindi and English language, and if you speak some other language, you have to arrange for the translator as well. It is better to understand the general nature and scope of Ayurvedic treatment. First, you are receiving Ayurvedic treatment or natural treatment from a qualified and board certified Ayurveda expert. Second, this type of natural treatment is more suitable for chronic disorders where the diagnosis is already firmly established along the modern medical line. Then you share your medical reports and test reports. Then there is a process of detailed history taking. I am asking some questions, and based upon that, I will be suggesting you some of the natural products or herbal products that you will take. Even if you are having the supply of herbs for a period of 2 to 3 months, it's always better that you have monthly follow-up. This type of follow-up consultation is free and you can schedule it easily. Since 2017, we are having a dedicated studio to conduct online Ayurveda consultations, webinars, and other events of longer duration. So you can have Ayurveda consultations on Zoom, on Skype, Google Meeting. These are the preferred methods for me. You can have the recordings when you are utilizing these methods. And if you do not have access to it, the less preferred way is WhatsApp call, WhatsApp video, or simple phone call. The recording is not available in these cases. How can you pay and schedule online Ayurveda consultation? If you are living inside India, we utilize Pay. You can have your debit card, credit card, net banking, and UPI, and you have access to the QR code where you can pay for the consultation and you can schedule online. If you are outside of India, then we utilize PayPal as the preferred method. This is the one of the safest and most secure way to pay online. You can pay through your PayPal account, or you can utilize your debit card or credit card for paying through PayPal as the system of payment, and then you can schedule the online Ayurveda consultation. When I say outside of India, you have to consider it from 2 points. First, whether you will be able to get the Ayurvedic products there. If you are living in United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Ireland, Australia, New Zealand, Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, these are some of the countries where we are regularly sending Ayurvedic products through express post and you can track it online. If you are living in Ukraine or any other country in European Union, then we will be able to send you Ayurvedic products through our business associates. And if you are living in any other country outside of these mentioned here, then of course you can contact us. We will try to work out whether we will be able to send you Ayurvedic herbs there or not. The second is from the consideration of time zone. The consultation slots are very limited, but I have the consultation slots divided in such a way that whether you are living in India, Asian countries, or European Union, North America, Australia, or New Zealand, you will be able to find within 1 or 2 days the time slots that are more suitable towards your time zone. I am also providing other forms of one-to-one or group consultations and coaching, and you have to distinguish it from online Ayurveda consultation. Other forms of consultation and coachings are of longer duration, generally 60 to 75 minutes or longer, and they are more expensive. Finally, if you have some chronic disorder and you want to address it with the help of Ayurveda and Yoga, then I highly suggest you to schedule online Ayurveda consultation with me. If you have any difficulty in scheduling, you can email me or you can send WhatsApp message. I will be able to revert as soon as possible. Again, you should understand the purpose of the Ayurvedic consultation. This is online, and the purpose is to provide you a set of Ayurvedic herbs to guide you to have the Ayurvedic herbal products under expert supervision so that you can move on the path of recovery, healing, and cure. And you can have Ayurvedic treatment along with your medical treatment. These two can coexist and can go together hand in hand without any problem. Finally, again, I thank you for your time. Adopt Ayurveda and Yoga in your daily life. Have better health and greater happiness now and always. Thank you. Namaste.